highest level of excellence for Seattle University. Next year, we're taking a big step forward. We're going from 24 to 35 teams.
The battery charger, which is the specific battery charger made for the lithionics batteries, which makes sure the batteries are charging at the same rate. And then
how they would work. So in order to test them, we actually had to kind of rebuild the vehicle.
This is more a visual representation of how the final protocol works. You have the portable data loader right here. And then over here, you have 4 different hardware connected to the network. One of them is not.
The PDL is asking to read file from your hardware, and then write request, which is where you.
Okay, so what we have here are a bunch of protected relays that we're trying to get to communicate using Ethernet. And this up here is the Ethernet switch, which acts as the central node for the network. And normally we'd have these connected to a computer, but we don't have one here because this is just a demonstration, so it's already configured. And here's a demonstration of us getting them to communicate with each other. So we have it, so we press this.
Sam Atkinson, Marvin Rama on top. Our faculty advisor is Dr. Paul Newdorfer.
On the bottom, the red is a processing board where we process the different signals and get all the information that we need to communicate with the truck. On the right is the CAN bus.
So we queued a Quadcopter 2 Wi-Fi wall and wiring coming down today without very much wind. So because there wasn't very corrected wind speed, we still hope to see a pretty close relation between our wind sensor read-in and the truck speed. So as you can see, our correction self-destruction is pretty much if you go past the 10 minutes, everything has to stop and the quadcopter drops the ground. So it doesn't happen.
Most of the RC design on the cabin driver, the alpha to driver.
So it's not exactly the same as this. The reason why we use the SIFT algorithm is because
there's a quadcopter for speed, maneuverability, and stability. So we bought a kit that included the motors, the frame, the electronic speed controllers.
Myself, this is Christian Lovely, and this is Eric. Liaison engineer are Brian Brennan, John Milliken.
On rotation, we'll configure relays and also monitor
By loaning these things to us because we don't really know what we're doing. We've never seen relays before, and there's a chance we could break the equipment.
I'll get to level 2 for you guys.
So this is the end of the project. Put the reservoir in so that to the follower student
Nintendo. I have one stored here.
Put it on your head right now. Go like this. Maybe we should call him Cyclops. Cyclops. Gary, is your hair permed or is it naturally curly?
It's natural. It's Portuguese hair.
Natural. I feel like
Cape,
we should get on like
it's Cape Verde Island,
we should get on like
Fogo Island.
Yeah, it's natural.
Oh!